So for this project, things are fairly simple. You're going to take a black square piece of paper that I gave you guys, and if you didn't pick up a kit, you can do the same thing at home. You can use any color of construction paper that you have. You just want to make sure that it's square, and then you have another piece of paper to glue it onto when you're done. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a design that on each side of your square. So see how I started drawing a design here, and then I did smaller designs. It can be free form, it can be something, it can be anything. It's totally up to you guys. And just to show you the negative space concept, so here is an object. This is the positive, and this is the negative of it. I laid this on top of my printing plate. One of the leaves fell off, and what was taken away. See, you can see the positive and the negative. Isn't that cool? It's really pretty. So anyway, that's what you're going to be doing with the paper. So to show you, I'm going to create a design, and then I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to show you what I mean. And it'll make a lot more sense in a second. Okay, when I do this project, I normally do like a different kind of abstract design, but I'm going with a bird because I'm feeling the birds today. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut these out, and then I'm going to show you how to lay this all down. Okay, now that I have all of my pieces cut out, what you do is put things back together like a puzzle. So you center your square, and you put your pieces back. I'm going to do that really quick, and then I'm going to show you from there. Alright, now that you have all your pieces back in place, what you're going to do is you're going to reverse them. So this is where you have the positive and negative space. So to best demonstrate this, here's my bird. So you see the positive and the negative, what's left. So I'm going to do that with each one. I'm going to flip out each one, and then I'm going to glue them down. Now the best thing to do is to glue down after you get it laid out, see where you need to change things, where things go, and see how I'm doing this, you guys? This is like super important. I'm just reversing it. I'm flipping it out and lining up the edge. You see that? How the edges are lined up just like that. So it's not going to go this way. It's going to go exactly opposite, just like that. And then I am going to glue that down. Okay. Now if you don't have glue at home, you could still cut out your paper and set it down and make a wish that doesn't blow away and take a picture. But I want you to do your best to glue it down. And the smaller, more intricate your design is, the harder it's going to be. So, remember opposite. Come on. It's not going to go like that. It's going to go like that. Okay, you're just it's a mirror image. The positive and the negative. Okay, how cool is that? It's a very simple design, but it turned out really neat. So I'm going to glue this down, and then I will come back. Okay, so this is my finished project. I've glued it down, and you can see this is Japanese Notan art, utilizing the positive and the negative space. So I'm also going to do another one, a simple one, just to show you guys how you can just make something simple as well, but I want you to put some thought and make it really creative and interesting. using what you can at home, okay? So I can't wait to see what you guys make. So this is my other Notan art that I just made. You can see it's more organic and free-flowing. I didn't draw anything. I actually found a smaller pair of scissors that worked way better than the big ones. And I just cut out simple organic shapes. And so I'd cut out a big shape, and then I'd cut out a shape within that one, and then within that one, and it's just a lot of back and forth. It's like yin and yang. It's positive and negative. It's all the same concept. So you can be simple. I know this looks complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. It's just easy. It's just putting it together. Or you can have a really neat design like this one that is also simple, but it's just a little bit more intricate in how you cut things out. So it's totally up to you, and I can't wait to see what you guys make.